What is the relationship that exists between time and investment? Why is time considered as a critical factor in our investments? What is called the power of compounding and how does it affect our investment return? To help us sort out all these mysteries regarding investment, we have our industry expert Mr. Gurraj with us. Gurraj, the stage is all yours.
Time and the power of compounding is very, very important for creating wealth. You can see here somebody who has done it for 30 years is investing only 18 lakhs but 1.75 crore. Somebody who starts late by 5 years, that amount becomes half, and somebody who delays by 10 years, straight away. So even the amount is small, you can still create a good corpus if you give time. So any investments, always remember giving time is the best way to create wealth. There is no shortcut. If you think that you can become wealthy in a short time, but then you are gambling, you are not investing.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.